This is why I think you need to get into Casper right now. Let's get started. Got to a point now where we really start to need to look at the chart on Casper. It did take a correction. However, looking at it now, it is just above 10 cents. It was in the 9 cents region this morning. It looks like it's gaining traction again. And it's something that we need to start paying particular attention to. Look what the date is today. What is it? 26th of Jan. In 6 months' time, I will look back on this video and I am telling you now, you will be amazed at the price that it is then in comparison to now. But in my opinion, right now, Casper is in a perfect buying zone, an accumulation zone for us to get in at these prices. When it gets a major exchange listing, which is rumored to be happening in the near future, it will just literally be out of reach from where we are now. At these levels, at the 10 cents level and at the 9 cents level yesterday, I've been DCAing in. You should be DCAing in. It is just never going to be at these levels again, I don't think. So if you were sat there and wanted to design a perfect coin which incorporated the best parts of Bitcoin and the best parts of Ethereum and then put them together, that is what Casper is creating. And popular influencers and people in this space are referring to it as the next Bitcoin or the Bitcoin killer. Whether or not it's going to take over it, I'm not predicting that. What I'm saying is the technology for Casper is the only cryptocurrency of its kind. Its tokenomics are brilliant. It is 100% fair launch. No hidden out secret allocations to the teams and the developers and all that jazz. That's not even involved in this. Casper is the fastest open source, decentralized and fully scalable layer 1 in the world. It's the world's first block DAG, digital ledger that enables parallel blocks and instant transactions. There are a lot of catalysts which are going to boost this coming up in the near future. And don't think smart contracts aren't coming for Casper, because I'm telling you now, they will come. And again, as we keep saying, no big tier 1 exchanges. It's not on what we like to call the big 3 yet. However, it is listed as futures trading on Kraken and on Binance, which normally would precede an actual spot listing. So I think this is a time sensitive video, and you may find that tomorrow, next week, it will have one of those listings, and we are not going to be sat here at 10 cents. We are going to be, I don't want to even contemplate, but we're going to not, certainly people who didn't get in at these levels are going to be regretting that they didn't get in at these levels. Now, at the moment, all of the attention in the market, besides Bitcoin, obviously, is going towards meme coins such as Myro and such as other speculative areas. And it's, in terms of what I'm seeing, it's looking like it's starting to sort of quieten down a little bit for Cas. And this is a perfect opportunity to accumulate. So I'm telling you now, if you can get 50,000 Casper tokens right now, I believe it will change your life by the end of next year. If you made some nice little gains on Myro from the other video, put it into Cas. Or if you want to gamble a little bit and wait for the Myro price to go up a little bit, fine. But I can't tell you how long this is going to last, where we're going to be at these price levels for Casper, around this 10 cents mark. You look at this chart that I've just taken a picture of now, you can see the amount of growth in 24 hours. And I know it's only gone up 1 cent odd, or 1.5 cents. However, if you look over the time period of where it stayed around these levels, then now it's just starting to spike. I don't know, I think that we're onto something here. It is about to go absolutely parabolic. Is this because a major exchange has been accumulating and is about to drop a spot listing? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Put a comment in the comment section below if you agree with me, if you don't agree with me. If you come back in 6 months' time and you want to put a comment down there and say that I told you so, that's all good with me. Casper, ticker KAS, is currently available on KuCoin, Mexi, BitGet, Bybit, amongst other centralized exchanges and dexes. For crying out loud, do not hold it on the exchanges, especially if you're in the UK right now with all of the crypto laws and regulations. I do not trust keeping any cryptocurrency on any exchanges for any longer than I have to. The moment that I've made a transaction on there, I will take it off and put it into cold storage. If you haven't got a cold storage wallet, what the hell are you playing at? By now, you should have a cold storage wallet. Go and get one. I have a Tangem. I have it right here. It is the easiest thing in the world to use. It is definitely the easiest cold storage wallet that I have ever owned. Use the Tangem to store all of your crypto off the exchanges. If you do want a discount off your Tangem card, I will leave a link in the description below, which will give you, I think it's 10% off. If you want to discuss more with me or with our community about CAS, then we have a brand new Discord server, which is called Eat Sleep Crypto, that myself and the Bitcoin Biker have collectively set up. And in there is live calls going on. If you look at the events, you'll see that there's ones going on this weekend where we can discuss anything from CAS, altcoins, regulations, banks. There's all sorts of stuff, all different channels on there for stuff that you're interested in. The aim is to make that a resource for everybody to be able to use, and we hope you will come and join us there. Thank you very much for listening. I know this was a bit of a rushed video, but I rushed because I saw what was going on with the price. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.